Hello guys, what's up? Today we're gonna talking about ratio and rate. Okay, at first, what it means of ratio? Ratio is a comparing of, look, this one. Ratio is a comparing of two numbers, A and B, and can be written as a fraction, A over B. You can write the ratio in three ways, okay? The first way you can write, look, you can write 1 to 45, or 1, this 2 dots means 245. This is the first one, this one is the first one, this is the second one, or the third one. So you can write like fractions. So the first number 1 is the first term and 45 is the second term. How we read all this? We read this 1 to 45. Okay, you can write a ratio to compare two amount parts to a part, or part to a whole, or whole to a part. How? Look at this example. Example 1. The world's largest bell are made from bell's metal. Look, this one is a metal. So bell metals, and every 4 kilograms of bell metal, there are 3 kilograms of what? Copper, and 1 kilograms of tin. Okay, now the first, write the following ratios. Okay, the first one, it tells us what? Kilogram of copper. We have copper is 3. 3 is copper. Copper 2 kilogram of tin. Okay, we have copper, so kilogram of copper is how many? 3. We write 3. I told them you can write by 3 ways. I use fractions. 2, I tell us 2 means the second one every time is denominators. 1 kilogram of tin. Tin means how many kilograms we have? We have 1 kilograms, means over 1. So this part to part, what means? It means the copper and the tins are contained of the 4 kilograms of metal. Okay, so mean this part to part. Okay, now kilogram of copper, because totally we have 4 kilogram. In this 4 kilogram we have only, in this 4 kilogram we have 3 kilograms of copper and 1 kilograms of tin. Now kilograms of copper to total kilograms. So total kilograms of copper we have how many? We have 3. Yeah, over what? Total kilogram we have 4 for the bell. So over 3 over 4 means part to whole. Part to whole. The 3 is a part and 4 is a total number, is a whole. C, the last one, total kilogram to kilograms of tin means total kilogram means we have in every 4 kilograms of the metal, bell metal, we have 4 kilogram. We write 4 kilogram over what? Kilograms of tin, we have 1 kilogram of tin. So 4 over 1, whole to parts. Okay, equivalent, we have equivalent ratio. It means of equivalent ratio. Equivalent ratio are ratio that names the same comparison. How? Example 2, like how we study equivalent fraction. There again we have equivalent ratio, means they are equal, but at the difference by using different numbers. Example, write 3 equivalent ratios to compare the number of plants. We have the number of plants. Look, how many plants you have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. We have 6 plants. So compare the number of plants with the number of strips. So the number of how many strips we have? Here we have 3. And here we have 3 again. Again we have 3 strips. Means we have 9 strips. Now how we write the ratio? It tells us the ratio compare the number of plants with the number of strips. Means which one is the first? It tells us the number of plants. Means you need to write what? 6. The first one. And the second one is the number of strips is 9. Because at here we have 3 plus we plus it equal to 9. Now how you write the number of plants? Look at here, the number of plants with the number over the number of strips. Now we wrote 6 over 9. Now how we find equivalent ratios? So you can divide both terms by common factor. We can use common factor. We need to divide these two numbers, denominator and numerator, by the same number. How we study? So 6 divided which number? At the same time we can divide the 9 by the same number, only 3. This is a common factors between 6 and 9. So we can both numbers divide by 3. 6 divided by 3 equal to 2. So over 9 divided by 3 equal to 3. Same. So it means 2/3. Okay, the first equivalent ratios, because it wanna 3 equivalent ratio. It tells us 3 equivalent ratio. The second one we can use multiply. The first time we use divide. The second time we can use multiply. We multiply both numbers by 2, for example. This one's by 2 and denominators by 2. 6 multiplied by 2 equal to 12. 9 multiplied 2 equal to 18. So 6/9 is 2/3 and 12/18 are equivalent ratio comparing plants to strip. Okay, after that we have rate. What means of rate? A rate, this one is the ratio that compare two quantities having different units of measure. For example, there are no meter with meter. So look at here. Suppose the engine's car rotate. Look, you have an engine car rotate 12,000 times in 6 minutes. Okay, a unit rate is the rate that has 1 as its second term. It has a unit rate is the rate it has 1 as the second terms. Okay, so unit rate means we have 12,000 times in 6 means the first one is over the fraction. The first number is numerator. The second one is denominator. Now we have unit rate. Unit rate is 12,000 spines means rotated over 6 means. Okay, 6. So unit rate, it tells us what? It tells us the rate that has 1 at the second term. Means we need to change this denominator for 1. So we can divide both side by 6. 12 divided by 6 is 2. So 2,000 over 1. Okay, 2,000 over 1 means we divide denominator and numerator by what? By 2. By 6, sorry. Divide this one by 6 because we need to have the denominator 1. Okay, at that time we can write this as unit rate. So equal to what? So means 2,000 spin in a minute. In 1 minute the engine rotates 2,000 spin. Average speed is average distance in 1 unit of time, such as 4 meters in 1 hour. So average speed is unit rate. Okay. Example 3, we have this example. The length of a Lebanon coastline is 225 kilometers. Kermit is driving his car from the north, covering a distance of 150 kilometers in 2 hours. Okay, in 2 hours. At this rate, it wanna rate. How long will it take him to reach the house? Okay, means how many hours it take to reach the house. It wanna gain time, so it tell us 2 hours. Means for this covering distance we have 150, the first number, because we put down this one is our numerator. 150 divided by what? 2 hours. Look, 2 hours, because this one is 2, so divided by 2 hours. Now we need to divide both numbers by 2. Divide, look, both numbers, because our denominator is 2. We need to find unit rate. At that time we divide both numbers by denominator. So when I divide denominator by 2, at the same time I need to divide numerator by 2. 150 divided by 2 and 2 divided by 2. So 2 divided by 2 is 1. 150 divided by 2 is 75. This 75 is kilometer. The units of 150 is kilometer, so 75 kilometer over what? 2 is hour, so hours. After that thing, look, 75 times 3 is 225. Multiply its terms by 3. Okay, so we need to multiply this number that equal to the total. Okay, our total is 225. So 73 multiplied by which number equal to 225? Then multiply by 3. At the same time you need to multiply the 1 by 3. At that time we know our command needs to how many? So 225 is kilometer and 3 is hour. It wanna how long will it take? It means it wanna time, so it means our time is 3 hours. So command needs to 3 hours to travel 225 kilometers. Now I give them homework. I hope all of them understand very well. Number 3, number 6, number 9, number 10, and number 17, number 19, 25, 26 is your homework. I hope all of them understand very well. Have a nice day. Bye.